Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can remove or get rid of these black bars or pillars in your video clips on Shotcut in 2025. So let us get started. So as you can see guys, I've been working on an example video here on Shotcut. So what you want to do is to get rid of these black fields here below and above your video clip is the following. So let's say for instance you change the aspect ratio of your video clip to, as you can see, 9:16, which is the format, for example, for TikTok or Instagram videos. You may simply switch back to 16:9 aspect ratio. That's one way how you can fix this and get rid of these black bars. Let me show you how to do that. All you need to do is head over to your video settings here at the top, hover your mouse over video mode, hover your mouse over custom, and click into add. And here guys, you will see the aspect ratio, and as previously mentioned, this one currently is 9:16, so you may switch to 16:9 by clicking into that drop-down menu here and select 16:9 or any other format you like. You may of course apply a custom aspect ratio if you like here. That's totally up to you. So let me switch back to 16:9. It is going to remove these black bars automatically. So that's one way how we can do this, guys. Let's say for instance you don't want to change the aspect ratio of your video clips, but let me just return to the previous aspect ratio to show you the example of it. So let's assume you would like to keep that aspect ratio of 9:16 for your Instagram or TikTok video or YouTube short, but at the same time still get rid of these black bars here. This is how you can do it, guys. So what you will need to do is left click into your video clip here on your timeline, and after that apply a filter. So head over to filters here, click into this plus button and look for a filter called size, position and rotate. This one here, click into it, and after that simply resize your frame here so that it covers the entire aspect ratio or frame here. So what you want to do is simply left click into one of its corners, and that way simply resize it until you get rid of these black bars. You may of course click into that handle here and position your video clip. As you can see now, it covers almost the entire frame, and now these black bars are gone. And that's basically it. Let me play in the preview, and that's how it works, guys. And you can apply this of course to any other video clip here, and yeah, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.